Hi, and welcome back to the TackleShare YouTube channel. I'm Alicia with the TackleShare program, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I haven't done one in a while because we already had a whole bunch of giveaways, but as you may or may not already know, every month we have a giveaway for entries that participate in our Fish Along with TackleShare initiative. That's basically anyone who's virtually participating in the program by sending in their fishing photos. So for the month of January, which is almost over, and the month of February, each of those monthly draws are going to include this ice fishing lure package as well as some other great fishing gear. All right, so let's see what's in this box.
All right, now we're just gonna open it up. A 2 3/4 inch willow leaf spoon. That's kind of that one. Some split rings. Ooh, that's interesting. A reverse painted spoon. So 2.5 inch North River in reverse. You see the front of it is the chrome, and actually the reverse side is the painted side, which is kind of neat. This is the first time I've seen that. A pearl painted spoon. Ooh, some little guys here too. That's nice. This one's a 1.5 inch actually. Hard to see there. Partially gold, partially stamped brass. A bit of a red on it. That's nice. And some added color too. Ooh, this one just makes me think of Rainbow Trout immediately. What is that one? It's a 2 inch humper lure in watermelon color. Very nice. Ooh, this one looks like a very traditional style that I'm more used to. What is that? 2.5 inch gator spoon in like a chrome pattern with that black stripe there. Is really nice and neat. Silver Streak. And this one's called Silver Streak, it says on there. Woo! A lot of chrome patterning. It's like a variety of sizes so far. I haven't seen that one either before. What's this one say? Glowworm spoon nickel. I'll have to check to make sure. That's a 1 3/4 inch. I'm gonna have to see if it says glow, but I'll have to check to see if it glows later on. Ooh, that one kind of looks like an Easter egg by chance. It's a gold spoon, like a traditional shape with some nice red and blue patterning on it there. This one says it's 1 3/4 inch smorgy lure, gold smorgy. A chartreuse, a willow leaf chartreuse, 1 3/4 inch. Some nice, this is red dots on the back, but it looks a little bit more orange. Oh, the Swedish rattle. I have not tried one of these out yet, and I do think I want to. It's a lot, obviously you can see the profile on them. They're a bit heavier and they flutter down. I'll be excited to try something like that here soon. See, how big is it? It's a 1/4 ounce and the coloring is called Fire Tiger. This one is a 2 1/4 inch banshee lure. That's a pearl patterning, and actually you can't see there, but you can see it's got quite a curve to it. Quite a pronounced curve. And another one of these Swedish rattles. Let me hear if they actually, you can hear they actually have a rattle. Let me pull them both out and listen. That's not the rattle of the hook, that's actually the rattle that's inside each of those lures. One's a little bit bigger than the other, so of course we have a 1/2 ounce and then the 1/4 ounce that are in this package. Nice. Whoop. And two are very similar. One is a gold, more of a golder undertone, a little bit rose gold, I guess, I don't know. And then a chrome silver look to them, and they're both 3.5 inches. I'm gonna say they're basically the same. One labels as 3.5 inch. There we go. All right, those are all the lures that we have. There's actually quite a wide variety of sizes in there. I had expected to see a few larger ones, but I'm happy to see there's quite a few, more on the smaller side, and quite a bit of variety there. So looking forward to giving away this package to one lucky winner. at the end of January, and at the end of February we're doing another giveaway. So make sure, if you haven't already, put your photos into the Fish Along with TackleShare initiative. Here's the link down below, and that is including any photos from the year 2022. I really want to see some ice fishing photos. I haven't seen many yet. And like I said before, we're going to be giving away this lure package as well as other great fishing gear at the end of January and at the end of February. All right, so make sure you do that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so, and tap that notification bell so we can keep more fishing content coming your way. See you next time.